Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we have come with another amazing and unique tutorials for you. And in this video today, I will be showing you how you can earn money online, how you can earn cool dollars online. Guys, you know that I don't usually upload content that has to deal with earning money online or anything that has to do with mining or Bitcoin. But today in this video, I have come with another update for you that you can use to earn money online, to earn dollars online using this trick. So guys, please, I want to request you that you watch this video carefully so that you can understand how this trick works, and I want to assure you that this is working perfectly, and we have already worked on this, and one of my friends has already cashed out using this particular trick or using this particular application online to earn at least $100. So please make sure you do not skip for a better understanding, please. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of the application, or this is the interface of this way of earning money online. And all what you only need Telegram account. We don't need any special application to earn money with this particular with this way of earning money. We only need Telegram. So you have to make sure that you have Telegram installed on your device, and this trick can work both on Android and iPhones. This trick can work both Android and iPhone. So please, I want you to watch carefully. So guys, as you can see here, let's start this. I will be dropping the link on the description for easy access, guys. So the first thing you have to do here, I will be just like the way I said earlier, I will be dropping the link on the first comment section. Please go to my comment section to get the link that will direct you to this application. Please go to the first comment. You will see the link there, or on my description you will see the link there, in order to get this application, or in order to get into the website. So guys, for instance, here I will click on this link like this. It will take you directly to your Telegram account or to your Telegram application. Guys, as you can see carefully, so it will be coming up like this. But guys, please, before we continue, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please to request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload this kind of content on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified, because we're going to be bringing more videos on how you can earn money online, more content on how you can mine online and earn money at home. So guys, as you can see, it will be coming up like this, and the first thing you're going to be doing here, you have to click on start. You have to click on start game. So guys, as you can see, you click on start game like this. So guys, here it will be coming up like this. And one of the important thing about this website, it requires enough network. That is one thing you need to know about this particular website, or this particular way of earning. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface we'll be having. Now, how do we earn money using this particular site? All what you need to do, you have to click on this gold. You have to click on this gold like this. So guys, you have to click on this gold until you get 7,500 here. So that is what you can do daily. This is the only thing you can do daily. So you have to keep clicking until you get 7,500. Now I will be showing you how you can ease the stress of clicking or using your hands to click on this every day. You know, it's not easy. It is not just easy for someone to get to click on his or her phone for 7,500 times. You know, this is not just easy. But I have a trick that I will be showing you to apply on this particular site, in order to earn faster. Within 15 minutes you can be able to finish. In just 15 minutes you can be able to get 7,500, or 10 minutes you can get 7,500 clicks. So guys, this is the first thing to do. I will be showing you the application. Don't worry, I will be showing you how you can get this done. So the next thing I want to be showing you here, so let's click here. Guys, you can also share with your friends to earn more. And how do we do that? Here we have to click on this first thing here. We have to click on this friends. Guys, as you can see here, we have friends. So you click on this friends here, it will be coming up like this. So guys, as you can see, friends zone, invite friends to get bonuses, invite friends and earn up to $25,000. Guys, in order to earn money from this particular site, you need at least $400,000, which I will show you the easier way to get it within a short period of time. I will show you how you can get 400,000 gold or coins within a short period of time. And then I will show you also how you can withdraw, how you can convert your coins to dollar, and you can be able to withdraw directly to your account. Guys, don't forget, in earlier I told you I don't usually make content about how to earn money online, but this video, because we have tested it and it is working perfectly, and we have already withdrawn using this particular application, that is why I decided to bring it here. So please, it is recommended that you watch full video in order to avoid mistake. So guys, as you can see here, each friend you invite, you earn $25,000. Open details. So guys, as you can see, you can click on this open details to see more. So guys, bonuses for friends transfer to a new league. A beginner, you get 10,000 for friend. Junior prospector, you get 2,000. Prospector 5,000. So guys, as you can see, these are some of the things you need to know, and then when you are trying, you can get more details yourself. And how can you get your link is very simple. How can you get your link is very simple. In order to get your own invite link, here you just have to click on invite a friend. You have to click on invite a friend, and guys, once you click, you can be able to, that's the invitation has been copied, and then you can send it to your friends. So let's go back. Guys, as you can see, I do not have any friends yet. I don't have any friends yet. Now let's go on how we can withdraw our money. Let's go back. So guys, here we have contest, we have profile, we have team, we have earn, we have boost. Guys, as you can see, let's click on this earn and see what we have. Okay, this is coming soon, so that one has not been open yet. It has not been open yet. So guys, let's click on this contest. Click on contest. So guys, as you can see, this one, even this one, we do not have any competition yet. So let's go back, and then we click on profile. In profile, this is the place where you can be able to convert your gold or your coins to dollar. So guys, as you can see, coins collected so far 3,288, and guys, as you can see here, USD balance is still 0. So let's scroll down and see, guys. Let's scroll down and see. So guys, as you can see, top up your USD balance. Top up your USD. Guys, as you can see, once you get 400,000 gold dust, and swap it to gold. Once you get your 400,000 gold, you can swap it to your money. And guys, you can use USDT. You can use your USDT wallet to withdraw. Guys, as you can see, you can use your USDT wallet to withdraw, and then you can always check on this particular site to see if you have meetup. You can always check on this particular site to see if you have meetup. So guys, this is very simple to earn. This is very simple to earn. So let's go back on how we can gather up to 400,000 coins or gold in a very short time. As you can see from here, don't forget I said you can only get 7,500 each day. Each day you have to gather 7,500, so you can invite your friends to boost your earning. So the next thing we're going to be doing, don't forget I said I will be showing you how you can earn faster. So guys, as you can see, I'm only using my hand. So what we're going to be doing here, we have to head up to our Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, you open your App Store, then you have to search for this application, which I will be showing you. Auto clicker, look at it as pop up. So guys, we have plenty auto clicker here, but I will be recommending this one. I'll also drop the link together on the description with the link of the website that you can earn. So let's quickly open it to see how we can use this application. So the application is very simple to use. You just have to allow all permissions required on the applications. So by clicking on OK, so you have to enable some permission. So we have to enable it like this. So we go back, and then we have to enable the second one. So guys, as you can see, it has something has pop up here. So let's go back to, once it pop up like this, we have to go back to our Telegram. So here what we're gonna be doing next, here you have to click on the plus icon shown by your left hand side, which is green. So you click on it like this, and guys, here we have a pop-up again here. So you have to take it to this center of the box of the gold. You have to take it to the center of the box. So the next thing we're gonna be doing, we have a play icon here. We have a play icon here that is showing blue. The play icon that is showing blue. So you just click on it. Guys, as you can see, it is entering by itself. It is entering by itself. Now, there is another secret I want to reveal to you about this. You can also click on it again. It will be more faster if you are clicking. So that means it is clicking two at the same time. It is clicking two at the same time. Guys, as you can see here. Guys, as you can see, it is working for you. I am not clicking, but this application is helping us for this to boost more faster. You can go to settings of this auto clicker to make it even more faster. Wow. This is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. So in order to stop it, you can just click on the blue icon again in order to stop it. So guys, this is how this works. So let me add the second one to see. Guys, as you can see, the second one has been added. The second one has been added. So let me add the third one to see if this will be more faster than before. So we click on it. So guys, as you can see, 3 is entering at the same time, 3 is entering at the same time. This is wow. This is so amazing, guys. So this is how you can earn with this particular application. Guys, please, if you have any question, drop a comment on the comment section. We are ever ready to reply. And then if you found this video to be helpful to you, please like this video, share with your friends, and then don't forget to subscribe. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.